Hey YouTube subscribers, welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment Hub Studio. So today in this video we will talk about the application whose whose name is Google Earth. So this is the application today I review on my YouTube channel whose name is Empowerment Hub Studio. And as you can see, I click on this application and here you can see it's 500 plus millions downloads and having ranking 4.3 and 2 million reviews about this application. And this application have developer account Google LLC, and you can see here this name, the name of this application is Google Earth. And let's see about this application. So these are some images showing here about this application. Let's examine this application. Click on about this app button and here is just shown examine the planet. We can easily examine our planet by this application whose name is Google Earth. Create and collaborate on a massive data-driven maps from anywhere with the new Google Earth. See the world from above with high resolution satellite imagery. Explore 3D terrain and buildings in hundreds of cities and dive into streets and neighborhoods with street view 360-degree perspectives. What's new? Thanks for using Google Earth. This release brings a fresh new look with new features to help you collaborate with others across devices, your camera to your maps. As you can see here. Now let's talk about this application review app info. Its app version is 10.46.0.2 and updated on 17 January 2024. Downloads is 500 millions plus downloads. Required download size is 48.26 MB. Required OS Android 5.0 and app offered by Google LLC. Release on 2020. Release on 22 Feb 2010. And this is the permissions. This is the app permissions. This is verified by Play Store. This is also a product of Google, so be careful from it. Don't worry, this application is 100% secure. So capability for your active devices. So this is my active device and you can see the capability, version and downloads and a required OS. So as you can see, today in this video I will review this application whose name is Google Earth. And as you can see, data safety starts with understanding how developers collect and share your data. Data privacy and security practice may vary based on your use. This is a data safety, which is very interesting thing about this. As you can see here, a person whose name is James Smith commented, "This is an amazing app. This is an amazing app. The only problem that I can find is that once you start your Google Earth, it can quickly observe a lot of your time with a good eye view of Earth. It is not difficult not to explore our planet. Yes, the app can also be used for a lot of productive work related reasons. However, that is so much fun." a person whose name is Bob's Wigs. So I hope you can understand our video. Subscribe our YouTube channel Empowerment Home Studio. Goodbye.